Wait, I'm changing this.
Excuse me.
Sabu.
Do that. Who's this?
Oh, get your little stinky little.
Come get your dogs, please.
Come get your.
Oh my. I can
Now.
she'll see me tomorrow. Ooh.
Can you still burp 20 times?
Look, he's taking out his anger on Layla.
Oh my god, that's 4.
My nails are like. No!
Not tonight, Layla, but next week.
That's 10.
Layla.
Five more.
Don't burp. Yo, don't
There. 20.
Are you okay?
Am I okay? I'm fine.
It's only 2 magnets. Now let's see how. I got my shirt wet.
Oh, that one kind of hurt.
I want to learn how to do nails. So I can make it.
Man, I mean, it's like it's kind of just like making like this little like weird like you're swallowing and just like you guys are like holding it in. I just like literally opened up my mouth and just let it all. That's only. No, I mean. Excuse me.
Mom! Can we eat it?
Oh.
Are you gonna play with me?
Excuse me. That was 3. I did that. Ah, fuck! It wasn't loud enough.
There's 2 more and then the one she has in there.
Excuse me.
Yeah, because that's just.
Sorry, I don't.
Turn up around. Kitchen?
I need some Pepsi. Is Lily there or no?
What else?
But when she tried to it said different.
Nope. Louder.
And it said him saying, see, I would hurt my chest. I would.
Sorry.
Dog. I hate baby.
What's inside of the pickle?
That's straight pickles right there.
I feel like.
Oh yeah, I seen the.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Tell them what song you want to hear.
What y'all want to hear? What y'all want to hear?
I like that, Rafa.
Like peekaboo.